Good morning, guys. Today is January 12th, 2021, and this is our math video for today. Yesterday we talked about one-step multiplication and division problems, and today we're going to talk about two steps. So being able to multiply and then divide, or vice versa. Okay, so make sure you have a piece of paper and a pencil so that you can do the problems with me as I do them. This will help you later on whenever you're working on problems in Canvas. Okay. Gregory bought 4 packages of chips and 3 packages of cookies. Each package had 7 bags in them. Okay, so we have 4 packages of chips, three packages of cookies, 7 bags. Each one had 7 bags. Okay, so we have the word each here. How many bags of food did Gregory buy? Okay, remember, if each is in the question, it means we're dividing. If each is up here in the problem, it means we're going to multiply. Okay, so I have 4 packages of chips, 3 packages of cookies. Now, the best way to figure this out is always to draw it out. Okay, picture what it's saying. So let's draw our chips first. We have 4 packages of chips. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 3 packages of cookies. 1, 2, 3. Each package had 7 bags in them. So each of these is going to have 7 bags in them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we're going to do that with all of the packages. Remember, you should be drawing this with me. If I get a little bit ahead of you and you need me to slow down, just pause the video, catch up, and then press play whenever you're ready. Okay, so we drew our picture. We have 4 packages of chips right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 3 packages of cookies. 1, 2, 3. Now I want you to pause the video here, and I want you to count how many bags we have total. And that's going to give us our answer, because it wants to know how many bags of food did Gregory buy. So pause the video here and find your answer. Alright, you should have gotten 49 because this is a 7 times 7. So our answer is B. Okay, there are 4 basketball teams practicing together in the gym. So we have 4 basketball teams. Each team has 6 players. All the players are used to make 3 groups during the practice. There is an equal number of players in each group. How many players are in each group? Okay, so I have an each up here, which means I'm going to multiply first. Then I have an each in my question, which means I'm going to divide. Okay, so let's draw it out. Each team has 6 players. All the players are used to make, there are 4 basketball teams. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 basketball teams. Okay, remember, draw it out. Each team has 6 players. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to put 6 players on all the teams, just like it says. Okay, so now that gets me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That gives me 24. Now, that is not my answer, okay? Don't just assume that's my answer after getting, because I still need to put them in 3 groups during the practice. Okay, notice I have 3 numbers here. This is more than one step. I multiplied here, but I still need to divide. Okay, so I'm going to take my 24 players and divide them into 3 groups. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to put 24, counting one at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so I took my 24 and I put them in my 3 groups. Now I need to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my answer is B8. You need to make sure you're paying attention to see if it's a 2-step problem. Okay, and in this case it was. Okay, a group of 24 boys and 18 girls will travel to the basketball game in buses. There will be 6 people in each bus. Okay, so I have 3 numbers here, which means this is probably a 2-step problem. How many buses will be needed to take the group to the game? Okay. So each is in the problem, which means I'm going to multiply. Okay, let's go back. Okay, because it talks about there will be 6 people in each bus. So we're putting people in buses. Okay, so that means we're going to divide. Okay. 24 boys and 18 girls. Okay, so let's take our 6 people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's do the 24 boys first, and let's put them in the buses. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so we have our 24 boys. Now let's do the 18 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so now we have an even number in each bus. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of these have 7. Okay, now remember, you need to put the 24 boys in the buses, you need to put the 18 girls in the buses, okay? And we drew our 6 buses. Alright, there are 2 different vegetables in a garden. 3 rows that have 14 pepper plants in each row. 37 carrot plants. How many plants are there in the garden? Okay, so I'm multiplying. 3 rows of 14. Okay, so that's like an array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And I have that 3 times. Remember, when you see rows and columns, it's most likely going to be an array. On your piece of paper, you should be drawing this also and showing your work. Okay, so I have a 3 by 14 array. Now go ahead and count your X's and see how many you have. Pause the video here and count all the X's. Alright, you should have gotten 42. Now, that's not the answer. Okay, I still have my 47 carrot plants. So now I'm adding. I have my 42 pepper plants, and I have my 47 carrot plants. So my answer here is D. Alright. And our last question for today, we're still working on money. Okay, so this time I have some dollar bills. I have $1, $2, so I'm going to label that. Okay, I have $2 here. Now let's count our coins. Remember, we count by fives. Okay, so a quarter is worth 25 cents. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. The nickels are worth 5 cents. 5, 5. Our dimes are worth 10 cents. 5, 10, 5, 10, 5, 10. And then we count by ones when we get to the pennies. Okay, so count by fives with me until we get our total. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. So in these coins right here, I have 65. Now I'm going to start counting by ones. 65, 66, 67, 68. So I have 68 cents. Okay, so my total with the $2 and the 68 cents is $2.68.